All right, welcome back to Money Bear. And in this video, we're going to be talking about how to make money with Clickbank using video. So obviously using video, we're going to be specifically talking about publishing these videos on YouTube, building a YouTube channel, building an audience, and getting massive traffic and organic traffic on a daily basis, right? So you build a video, you publish it, and then that video can start bringing in traffic to your affiliate offer day after day, week after week, month after month. So let's jump in. There's going to be just 4 quick steps in order to make this work. So let's jump into step 1 real quick. I'm going to kind of go over step 1. We're going to find a good product on Clickbank. Okay, so let's go over, and this is Clickbank. If you don't know about it, Clickbank, it's a place that hosts a bunch of different vendors' products, and they allow affiliates to go over there and sign up. And if you sign up as an affiliate, if you sign up for a Clickbank account, about 99% of the products on there you will have access to immediately, get an affiliate link and promote. So unlike other affiliate programs, if you want to promote Clickbank products, you're able to do that even as a beginner. You do not have to have an audience. You don't have to have a proven sales record as an affiliate or anything like that. You actually get to go and pick out products and start sending traffic to these offers and making money. So Clickbank is a great affiliate platform to get started on. So once you're logged into your account, you're just going to go up over here to the marketplace up here. And then there's all these different categories down here, right? And you can pick from all kinds of different categories, but in this case we're going to just type in keto. So keto is just really popular right now. For the last 2 or 3 years, it's been the #1 diet. And so what we want to do is go type in keto, and then I'm going to go over here to the relevance keyword, and then I'm actually going to do it by gravity. And let's see, we have the custom keto diet, and that's exactly what I'm looking for because this is a great one. The gravity right here is 345.7. That means 345 other people have successfully sold at least one of these products in the last couple of weeks. So it is definitely has very high gravity. And so we want to, go for this because it's a good product. And also, there's a chance for reoccurring. So when you see this little blue button over here, it means that there's reoccurring commissions as well. So that's always a plus when you're doing affiliate marketing, because if you can make a sale once and then it's a good product, chances are that customer or a large portion of your customers are going to want to keep the membership of that product. And so you're going to get paid a commission every month that they continue to purchase that product. So it's really awesome. So there's other different ways to categorize or to narrow this down, but really you want to look for the affiliate programs that have, or the affiliate offers that have a must have an affiliate tools page, right? So if we click on that, it's going to filter that out, and that one's still going to show up because the custom keto diet does have the tools page. Now what you want to do is you can come over here, the affiliate page right here, right? We can right click that, open in a new tab. We're going to open that up over here. And then it's going to pull up the customketodiet.com/affiliates. Now you have all this stuff, all these goodies in here, right? You have banners, all kinds of stuff. 1 second, let me log into my account in here. Okay, so I'm logged in, and a lot of them will require you to sign up with your email address in order to actually sign up. So they have all kinds of stuff. If you want to start promoting this on social media, that's great. That's not what this video is about, but they have all kinds of good stuff over here to promote, and graphics packs and all kinds of stuff. Product information, if you just want the basic product information of what you're going to get and benefits and all that kind of stuff. You can create your affiliate links in here, landing pages, all kinds of stuff. What we're interested in here though, and they do have videos, and these could be useful as well. You could use these and upload these as well. There's about 12 videos here, but we want to make it some unique videos, and we need the content to do that. And so what we're really interested in is clicking on the articles section. So right here, you can see that there's one article right here. Now, a lot of these these offers will have multiple articles. And in this case, this is a really big product. I'm surprised they don't have more than one article, but this is great for an example in this video. And I'm going to show you how you can get a lot of other done for you content. But right here, we have this article right here, right? So we're going to go ahead and just click on that and download this. And this could be actually a pack This looks like it's a zip file, so it's probably a pack of articles. So we're going to go ahead. So we have the file unpacked. Since it was a zip file, I'm making a guess that it's a lot of articles. Keto articles, double click, and here you go. 3 benefits. So it looks like they have 4 articles in here. So we have the 7 benefits of the keto diet, right? So we're going to double click on that. So we have 4 articles, so 4 videos that we can create now. We can use this content because chances are most people are not grabbing this and just going and putting it on their blogs, because if you know anything about SEO and trying to rank this content on Google, you know that you can't just take this article and throw it up on a website, because there's chances are there's more than a few people that have already done that. So then it won't rank. It'll be duplicate content, but nobody's using this. There really isn't a duplicate content for video, right? So this is perfect for us to use in a video, right? And so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and grab this, right? Let's just Control A, Control C. We're going to copy all that content. Now what we're going to do is going to come back over here, and I'm going to go to a site called Vidnami. And once we're inside of Vidnami, you can click the link below and there'll be a free sign up where you can actually do a free trial to it. But I can actually leave a link below that will give you 25% off of your order for life. So that if you're interested in picking up this software. So what we're going to do is we're going to come in here, we're going to log in. And then once you log in, all you're going to do is just create new video, click that button over here. And then there's all kinds of different templates that we can choose from. And since we're doing a 16:9 landscape for YouTube, we can grab all this right here. And I'm going to just grab this ruby red over here because I like it for like fitness and diet type stuff. And then all you're going to do is you're going to just Control V, paste that article in here, right? So we're going to paste that article in here. We have 7 benefits of the keto diet. We're going to go ahead and click down here, create scenes. So now the software is going to go out there. It's going to actually automatically create a video for us, a very high quality, high engaging video. And that before this software came around, there just is not a way to do this. This is using artificial intelligence to create a high quality video. So you don't have to spend hours and hours of your time putting all this together, piecing all this together by yourself. Using multiple different softwares would take a long time. So the 7 benefits of the keto diet, I don't really like that first one right there. So what we're going to do is click the keto diet button here, and then you're going to see that there's all kinds of stuff. So we can go like that. That's cool. And we're going to leave it at that. And we're going to come through here and, they say here about the ketogenic diet. I'm going to go ahead and just use some of these videos that we have over here that are more keto related. You can flip through here. But it's automatically going to pull in, like this one. What is the keto diet? You're asking a question. That's cool. And then recommends a diet that is low on carbs. So what we can do right here is just say carbohydrates. I'm going to click carbs. And then, we can go like that because we can show carbs, And so then once you're done going through and kind of making sure everything looks good, the software is so easy to use, we just go to add voice track here. Now, what you can do is a couple different things. You can record your voice using Audacity, or you can record by doing a record your own voice from right here. You can actually push the record button right here. All right, so I'm not going to bore you with continuing that, but you see the point. You can actually record in here. You can also do an auto voice, which is to use their automated voice there. I do recommend trying to record it yourself or outsourcing it to Fiverr, just to make it higher quality. And then if you outsource it to Fiverr or record it in another program, you can just click the upload button right here, and then it will actually automatically match your video, your voiceover to the actual video and the text. It's amazing what it's actually capable of doing. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go now, click the preview button. I don't know if those first couple lines, I think you need to upload a voice track. So since we only recorded, a couple different parts of this, right? We're going to just go ahead and use the auto voice and preview our video. Okay, so then once it's done rendering, right, you can come in here and you can actually choose some different music. that one's fine. What I like to do is come up over here to options and make sure that you have your music volume at around 8 to 12%, because you don't want the music volume to be as loud or louder than the actual voice, or your video will not turn out very good and people won't be able to actually hear the volume of the voiceover, and so then the video will end up being kind of pointless. So you don't want the music to be dominant on the video. So then we'll just push play and check out a preview.
Moderate on pro.
Pretty cool stuff, right? Very, very high quality video. All you have to do now is just say, looks good. Once you get over to this page, then all you'll do is just render or generate the video, and it will start generating a video. Okay. So that is how you do that. So then now what you would do is you would just go over to your YouTube channel, right? So let's come back over here. I think I kind of went over a couple steps. So step 2 was we got our articles, right, from the affiliate platform. Then step number 3, we actually went over and created our high quality video using Vidnami, right? And then so step 4, we're going to publish our videos on YouTube. So we're going to just go ahead and go grab the video after it downloads and go upload it to YouTube. And you just rinse and repeat the process, right? Rinse and repeat the process. Put up dozens of videos on your YouTube channel in one specific niche. You could build an entire YouTube channel just on the ketogenic diet. And then you will start getting traffic and you'll start getting leads into your affiliates links, right? I also recommend using a short URL shortener like Bitly. So you can use one like Bitly. I use it a ton, and you can see I get a ton of stuff, a ton of clicks. Look at 910 links clicked in the last 30 days. So this is a great one to use. Now, I promised one kind of bonus that we would also go over how to find more content, because you're going to run out of the articles that they give you, right? So the example that we used, they gave us, what did they give us? They gave us 4 articles right here. We clicked this button, we unzipped the file, and there was 4 articles, right? So what you do is you can go over to Google and just say keto PLR. So I'm just going to type in keto PLR, and look at all the different ones that are going to show up right here. There's so many different ones, but I like this buyqualityplr.com. You're going to be able to get a nice big pack of articles related to the keto diet. So it says right here, keto diet PLR, and you'll be able to come in here, the truth PLR lead magnet. So for example, when you have a book and you buy a book or something for like $5, you know, you're like this one right here, it's going to have multiple chapters in it. So every chapter, I recommend you can turn that into a video as well. So then look right here. There's different ones that you can look at and get in here, right? So then like right here, here's great. So here's 5 high quality MCT oil for keto PLRs. Those are very specific. Top 10 quality keto diet PLR articles and tweets for $3.99. Here is a keto diet for beginners, 13,000 words exclusive PLR ebook. This is going to be great because that's going to be several videos. You know, if you're doing 500 word videos, then you're looking at, you know, 26 or more videos just from that one pack right there. There's all kinds of packs. They have another pack over here, 11,000 words right here. So there's plenty that you can get. Just get PLR content, turn them into videos, and you will be on your way to making money on Clickbank with YouTube and video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my next unique video. See you next time.